Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. You guys see here, we got a big box to unbox. This is a humidifier, so let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. You get a manual, and let's pull out the unit. Alright guys, this is the unit and the tank. So as you guys can see, it is fairly big. It says maximum 8 liters, and this is going to be your tank housing unit. This is where all your controls are. You guys can lift this up. You can replace everything. Make sure you check out the listing. So guys, this is considered the fill way. You can fill it up in here, or you can directly fill your tank up. Depends on how you want to do it. It says take off protective bag from the pump before use. Top fill below max line. Don't put in a corner of a room to avoid mist condensation. Wait 15 to 20 seconds to work normally after you power on. This looks like this can be rotated a little bit here. It's a little tough. So you can rotate the spray where the spray goes, the mist goes. So we're gonna go ahead, drop this down in here. And this just places right on top, as you guys can see. And you just plug this in to your standard outlet. Once plugged in, the indicator lights come on, and you have timer, UV, mist volume, customize humidity, and on, off, and sleep. On the back here, you press and pop out this tray. This is where you put your essential oil. It says only add 2 drops per little side. Only 2 drops. And then you just press it back in. Once you power it on, wait 15 to 20 seconds. Alright guys, as you can see, it just takes a little time. For us, it actually took 35 seconds. But as you can see, once you have it going, it works. So then you can change the volume, the humidity. So there's 3 settings. You can go up to 90% humidity and 35%. So you can change or 38%. So you can change the volume, as you guys can see. You can turn the UV light on as well. It lets you know. It tells you the temperature in the room. And you just tap. So it's pretty simple, guys.